This country of ours is becoming fucking ridiculous. Really, really ridiculous. How do they think is anybody going to survive in this place if they continue doing this? This is bullshit. Just listen to this.
It just got more expensive for South Africans after the Reserve Bank increased the repo rate by 25 basis points. The hike means higher repayments for homeowners and consumers already battling rising fuel prices, food costs and inflation.
Against this backdrop, the committee decided to increase the policy rate by 25 basis points to 7% effective from the 29th of May. The committee agreed that inflation risks had intensified and that the challenge of large and overlapping shocks would likely trigger second-round effects requiring a monetary policy response.
Now explain to me, how does any of this that this guy said makes fucking sense at all? To anyone out there, does this make sense?
Kule insuku ezedlule ubaba uLesijaganyago umemezela ukukhuphuka kwe-repo rate kwi-interest rate izosuka ku-6.5% iye ku-7%. Utheke kusuka ngomhla ka-29 kuMeyi okusho ukuthi kusuka ngoLwesihlanu isikhuphukile seyu-7%. Kodwa ke engifisa ukukwenza kule channel ukukucaphunela abantu abazokuchazela kabanzi ukuthi isho ukuthini lento ayishilo ubaba uLesijaganyago, ngoba mina njengesingami angazi lutho. Kodwa ke kubakhona abantu abanalo ulwazi ofuneka basifundise, ngoba lento ekhulunywe la iyas-affecta sonke, futhi angeke kusisize ukuthi sifocus kakhulu kulodaba lwama illegal immigrants nomhla ka-30 kuJune sishiye nansi indaba esi-affectayo kusuka ngoLwesihlanu. Mangikuqonda ukuthi njengabantu base South Africa we value entertainment nento eyitrendayo kakhulukazi, kodwa ngibona ukuthi asike silixoxe lolu daba. Mhlawumbe bakhona ababili noma bathathu abazothi mabebukele le video kube khona abakufundayo kubo okuzobalekelela ngokuziqonda lezi zinto ukuthi zisho ukuthini. Njengoba bese ngichazile ukuthi anginalo ulwazi, okhona usesengizomcaphuna ozosichazela ukuthi lento isho ukuthini. Mhlawumbe sesingaxoxa emveni kwalapho. Makwenzekile wayibona le video namuhla, kusasa ngenzeka ungabe usayibona ngoba ngizoyiguqule ibe ngeyama members kuphela.
Scuttle, the governor of the Reserve Bank, Mr. Kganyago, has increased the interest rate by 25 basis points. What does that mean? 25 basis point basically means the interest rate is increased by 0.25%. Right. So the repo rate has increased from 6.75% to 7%. What is the repo rate? The repo rate is the interest rate that the Reserve Bank charges the commercial banks. Right. So that interest rate, it went from 6.75% to 7%. Now from there, the commercial bank also has increased their interest rate that they charge us, me and you, consumer. And that interest rate is what we call the prime rate. So the prime rate has went from 10.25% to 10.5%. So it has also increased by 0.25%. So what does that mean, right? So that just basically means that if you have a home loan, if you have a vehicle finance, if you have a personal loan, if you have a credit card, if you have a store card, your interest rate is going to increase by 0.25%, which basically means that your monthly repayments are going to increase. So the monthly repayments that you've been paying every month, now it's increasing. Okay, so now let's put everything within the economy that's currently happening in South Africa. Since April, fuel prices have increased, our electricity prices have increased, our food prices have increased, our petrol prices have increased, the unemployment has increased, and now the interest rate has increased. What does that mean for us? that just means that we're in the dark. It just means that things are expensive. Everything is increasing but our salaries. So that just means that we have to do readjustments on our budgets. And now we really have to go look at our bank statements and do the necessary adjustments. Downgrade if you have to downgrade. Look for another stream of income if you can, if you have time, because it is what it is, hey?
Zindaba ezingemnandi lezi ngoba kukhuphuka upetrol, kwakhuphuka ugesi, sekukhuphuke manje interest rate. Meaning imali obuyibhadala mangabe ububhadala u10 rand mhlawumbe sekuzofuneka ubhadala 11 rand. Izinto lezi ikakhulukazi kubantu abakhokhela imoto, kubantu abakhokhela izindlu izoku-affecta le ngoba njengoba zikhuphuka zonke lezi zinto isalary yakhe imi ndawonye. Isho lokho le nkulumo eshiwo uGovernor uBaba uGanyago uma ethi iyakhuphuka i-repo rate ngo-25 basis point. Ubechaza khona lokhu. Kunevideo engidibane nayo elinye ifighter la uma ngingena ku-TikTok. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela yona uze ukuthi lona lithini malikhuluma ngalolu daba.
So the Reserve Bank is set to increase the interest rate from the 29th of May. And what does this mean for us? For additional information, 4 people made that decision. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think of this like a nuclear drop. Yes? Those closer to the drop will feel the impact first. And who are they? Unemployed persons, those living in abject poverty. Doesn't matter their race. Those who have acquired materialism with their name, such as cars, loans, and so on. Including those who are currently fighting the constitution, because let's be honest, the impact takes them along as well because they are banging on the closed door. Then it's companies and corporates. We are all going to feel the impact, however, on different levels of impact. The point is not to stop the impact from happening. It's watching it unfold and seeing how the structure and system that you have set in place allows you to survive that impact. That would mean that your structure of base needs to be solid. Many people, even though they might have good careers, they live like someone who's in a treehouse with no stable structure whatsoever. And that's the reality of South Africans in general. You see how people made an economic decision that affects you now, not later. You see why we encourage people to build an economy or to become someone who participates in the economy. Because without a stable company, whatever current, whatever wave that gets thrown at you, you might not even survive it. Since South Africa wants South Africa to be for South Africans, we are retreating inwards now, damaging further international relations in terms of business that we already have established. That would further put pressure right now, not later, those who are fighting the constitution, on us to further develop our economy. Salaries are not increasing anytime soon. Yes, that's why we encourage people that there's no such thing as quick success, because quick success will weaken your foundation because you did not have enough time to allow each layer to solidify by time. You rushed the process. So what does it mean for you going forward? You owning a car in your name with an interest rate that is so high, set to fluctuate with time, then posting it online and playing it, God did it. God did nothing. You just entered yourself into a trap, financial mess, a future obligation that you too might not even survive. So we are trying to minimize those situations by happening, to lean towards structures and system instead of God and poor decision making. Because someone who defines their foundation by structure and system, it is somebody who enables the lag, the God fortune, as if God has smiled on that person. We are all favored by God if you want to take it to that route. I'm not smarter than you. I'm more aware than you. You're also capable of being a disciplined person. Now, to get to that disciplined person determines on how you move right now.
Ngiyethemba ukuthi osisi laba bachaze kahle. Kodwa nje okubalekile funeka siparticipate kwi-economy. Thosisi omncane lo bekhuluma wathi uma ngabe unaso isikhathi, unayo indlela ukuthi wenze another source of income, kufanele manje uqalele wenze ngoba njengoba zonke lento zikhuphuka and impi lekhona leko Iran asazi yophela nini okuyiyona iaffect ukuthi kukhuphuka ama price kanje. Amazwe ase-Afrika yadingana. Lokho akufanelanga kuphume emqondweni wethu. Amazwe ase-Afrika yadingana ukuze azokwazi Afrika ukutrader kahle yodwa, ikwazi ukusebenzisana, kubanjiswane la funa kubanjiswane khona. Lokho kuzowulekelela umnotho, lokho kuzokhanda amathuba emisebenzi. Funa singakukhohlwa lokho. Kwenzeka konke okwenzekayo, kodwa singakukhohlwa lokho. Yingakho kufanele sishintshe indlela yokucabanga njengabantu base South Africa, kakhulukazi abanaleli bali elinjengelami.